Well, Christmas celebrations may be over, but now the sights have turned to New Year's Eve. And if you plan on celebrating with some fireworks, there are a few things to keep in mind. According to Iowa law, fireworks can be sold until January 3rd. And while you can buy them during this time, you cannot legally set them off within Sioux City city limits until New Year's Eve. Now, you can light them off from 1 o'clock p.m. on December 31st until 12:30 a.m. on New Year's Day. Now, there are certain restrictions on who and where they can be set off. And we have those rules posted on our website. That's SiouxlandProud.com. Just click on featured content.